In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Netflix recommendations in under 1 minute. So here's what you need to do. So first go to netflix.com and log into your account. Then click on your profile icon and go to account. Once you're in account, you'll see some information about your Netflix account. We can then scroll down and here you'll see all of the different profiles that are on your account. Click on the account that you want to reset the recommendations for and then go to viewing activity. Here you should be shown a list of all of the different movies and TV shows you've watched on Netflix. Now you can individually hide these and say, for example, if you're getting recommendations based on you watching Skins, you can hide Skins and then you'll no longer get recommendations based on viewing that TV series, or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can click show more and you can just hide all of them. So that's all you have to do to reset your Netflix recommendations. If that video helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.